Today we're going to cover long-term storage items and where to purchase. I'll also cover a browser extension for the Amazon site. It allows you to see the history of the product's pricing. There are many manufacturers of shelf-stable emergency type products. One of my favorites is Augason Farms. As you can see, I've loaded up my pantry with many of their items. I purchased my items from their Amazon store. Augason Farms curtailed purchasing directly from their website during the pandemic. They are expected to resume sometime in the future. If you absolutely will not purchase from Amazon, Walmart Online is another place where you can purchase. But I haven't had the same lower price success with Walmart. One of the things I love about the Augason Farm Amazon store is from time to time they will have a big sale on something. It's normally not a sale that lasts very long, but if you're quick, you can get a very good deal. I'll explain more about this towards the end, so keep watching for this great tip. As we navigate through the Amazon store, please keep in mind I've purchased a number of the items and will be providing reviews and recipe suggestions on those items. I will also include reviews from other trusted content creators in the playlist. Augason is known for putting out a valued product. Everything I've purchased, I've either reordered or have on the Camel browser extension waiting for a sale. More on Camel towards the end of this video. Disclaimer, I am not a pro finding my way around the Amazon website, and this may become obvious. The easiest way to locate the Augason store for me is to add Augason in the search bar, find an item, and then click on the store. This will bring you to their products. As you can see, they have several options to shop: food, containers, emergency kits, and even packaged water. Today we're going to focus on the food tab. Perhaps I'll post a video in the future on the emergency kits. Once in the food section, you'll see 8 categories to shop. If you scroll down, you will see variety meal kits and no-cook meals. Both of these tabs will take you to the emergency kits page. Feel free to explore them. There are some great products in pouches for backpackers and campers. Let's start in the baking mix section. The first item we see is honey powder. Please keep in mind this is not pure honey. As you see in the ingredients section, it contains cane sugar and honey. This is fine with me considering I have 2 cans of the product, one for later and one to use now. Augason's is great about providing recipes. I think I will be making their suggestions to my recipe playlist. Be watching for this in the near future. I'm not going to go over every item. We would be here all day. This video is about how to move around the site and to show a few items that I ordered. I will be reviewing each item I've purchased and combining them into meals as well in future videos. Honey white bread scone and roll is such a versatile product. I had to buy several cans. Yes, this is why you see purchase 3 times. You can use this to make regular bread as well. The fact that it will last at least 10 years unopened is a game changer for me. And yes, I have the wheat berries I will grind into flour, but to have a quick, versatile item was a deal I couldn't refuse. Okay, so now thoughts of the Godfather is floating around in my head. This item has been on sale for a while now, but could very easily go back up in price. If you're interested, buy now. I left a link in the description for all of the items I've purchased so far. I would also like to mention they have in bold print the amount of servings on each can. I don't have time to go on a hunt looking for this information. I should also mention you can purchase these items through EBT, the Electronic Benefits Transfer. I think that might be a California thing, but or SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, which is helpful. The next item I'd like to show you is the Buttermilk Pancake Mix. This item is currently on sale, and I believe it has been for a few weeks. Even though it says it's 49% discounted, how do we know this is true? I've noticed a few sites that have increased their prices, then show a discount to make you think you've gotten a good deal. I think this product would be good to run the browser extension Camel. This is going to be a bit rough, and I do plan on posting a more detailed video on how to sign up, download, and use the browser. So be looking for this video as well. If you follow the cursor, you'll see an odd-shaped figure. If you currently use browser extensions, you'll recognize it. Click the button, and you'll see the Camelizer. It will download a screen that shows a graph with pricing on the left, vertically, and dates on the bottom, horizontally. Below the chart is the history section with different categories of dates: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, a year, and all time. Next, you'll see the vendor type. Green is Amazon, blue is a third party, and red is used third party. I suppose this last category is if you're looking to purchase items that can't be sold as new. I did purchase a lounge chase for outdoors once, where it was returned, and I received an extremely fantastic deal through Amazon. I would suppose this is where that item would go, but I purchased it before I found this extension. So if you look at the Amazon line in green, you'll see the lowest all-time price was $3.06 in March of 2017. The highest price was $20.99 February of this year. I'm going to change the history button to 3 months so I can see more clearly what the pricing has been more recently. From this graph, it looks to me like the pricing was about $13 around the end of April and started going down in May. But see the dashed lines? This shows the product was out of stock. It looks like the item fell slightly below $10 the first week in May, leaped up to around $18 the second week in May, dropped back down the third week, but keep in mind the dashed lines. I see some solids, jumped up in June and dropped back down and pretty stable at the current price until the end of July, where it leaped and then came back down. I hope that wasn't too confusing. Here's the issue. I think we will start seeing continual rising prices in the next month or two. If you can afford the item and it's something you want to try, I would get 1 can now, try it out. If you like it and the price is still affordable, buy more. This is what I've been doing for the past 6 to 8 months. I only have a couple regrets not buying when the price was low on a few items. Now I feel I'm chasing to get back that lower price. The items are not something I have to have, just alternatives of what I do currently have. One other item I'd like to explain is the desired price location. I have about 12 desired price options on Camel. How it works, you type in a realistic amount you'd like to pay, and if that product drops to or below the price, Camel will send you an email. What I like about this, I don't have to be on the Amazon site each day hoping the price has gone down. It definitely saves time. Now back to the products. The next category is dairy and eggs. You have non-fat milk, butter powder, which by the way is an excellent price. I use ghee, but having the butter powder on hand is great for cooking and baking. Has anyone noticed the price of butter now? I try to buy grass-fed or organic, and the prices are outrageous. You see the dried whole egg powder, which I highly recommend, but unfortunately is not currently affordable. Now I'm about ready to give you a huge heads up on this product. It's only happened twice recently, but if you go down to the dairy and egg combo, for some reason Augason will drop the price to an insane good deal. This happened yesterday. I was getting ready to film this video and noticed the price was $67. I almost passed out. I started calling and texting my close group to tell them about the deal. Only Johnny from the Beef Wellington video was able to cash in on this. Within minutes, it was over, and we both picked up a couple sets. I now have a Camel alert on this product to make sure I can get in on this deal again if it goes down, and I'd encourage you to do the same. I'm skipping the fruits and vegetables because I have a dehydrator. If you're not interested in dehydrating, this would be a great category for you to shop. Let's head over to soup and entrees. I recently purchased the creamy potato soup, and cheesy broccoli. I will be trying those in recipes today, and if I like them, hope to purchase more before the prices go up. Well, I think we've worked our way around the site enough. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Also remember to like and subscribe and share this video to anyone you feel would benefit from the contents. I hope you have a very blessed day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.